The many benefits of baking soda. Baking soda is a leavening agent and a pH regulator. It has been used in cooking for centuries and can be found in almost every kitchen across the world. It was first discovered by accident when an Arab chef was making something called the bakia, which is a type of sourdough bread that needs to be baked at high temperatures. The chef, who had just finished his shift, forgot to add the final ingredient, yeast, which is what makes dough rise. The next morning, he found that his forgotten dough had risen and was light and fluffy like the bakia loaves he made with yeast. He tried it and it tasted great. This accidental discovery led him to research baking soda, which we now know as baking powder. It has been used for centuries for cooking purposes due to its ability to act as an organic leavening agent, raising dough or batter because of its chemical reaction with acid. The history of baking soda goes back thousands of years ago when it was discovered by Egyptians and Romans. The Egyptians were the first to discover baking soda by using ashes from the Nile River mixed with river water and limestone, which created a bubbling paste that could be used in cooking. The Romans also recognized this discovery by creating an early form of baking powder by mixing ash from oak trees with wine vinegar to create a similar bubbling paste that could be used in cooking. Baking soda is great for more than just your taste buds. In this video, we will show you the many benefits of baking soda. Baking soda is a kitchen staple that many people use to clean and deodorize their homes. It's an inexpensive and natural alternative to commercial cleaning products and has a number of benefits. Cleans and deodorizes the kitchen and other surfaces, including the oven, sheets, clothing, etc. Acts as a fire extinguisher. Sprinkle baking soda on your stovetop before you light it for the first time to make sure there are no fumes or gas leaks. Helps treat minor burns by forming a paste with water or adding it to bath water. The baking soda will remove the heat from the burn area while also healing any blisters that form on top of it, all without causing further damage. Reduces pain from bug bites. Baking soda is a versatile product that is safe for use in the kitchen and can be used to remove bad odors from your home. Baking soda is a fairly new product, but it has been around since the 1800s and it still remains popular today. There are so many uses for baking soda that it's almost impossible not to find one that suits you or your needs. Baking soda can also be used inside or outside of the house. Baked on food? No problem. Scrub away with some baking soda and watch as the mess disappears before your very eyes. Don't forget about those pesky odors. Baking soda is a naturally occurring substance that has many benefits. From using it to clean your teeth and freshen your breath, we can see that its uses are endless. It can be used to deodorize carpets and furniture, soften water for laundry, and help with bad smells like the kind you get from cooking fish or other pungent foods. It can also be used as a paste on minor irritations like insect bites or sunburns, and even mixed with hydrogen peroxide to make an effective acne treatment mask. Softens water for laundry. Baking soda is a household item that is both versatile and inexpensive. It can be used to clean anything from your clothes to your kitchen countertops. Cooking, baking soda is a great ingredient for baking cakes and other desserts. It can also be used to make a quick bread or a biscuit for breakfast. Cleaning, this versatile powder can clean everything from your fridge to your toilet bowl. It's also an excellent natural way to get rid of odors in the house and will get rid of the stench from your garbage disposal, too. Bathroom, you can get rid of soap scum with baking soda and vinegar by sprinkling some on the grime and scrubbing with an old toothbrush. The benefits of baking soda are endless. It is a product that can be used to clean almost anything, from your kitchen to your toilet. Baking soda is a substance that has many benefits around the house. 1. It cleans almost anything you could name. 2. It leaves surfaces feeling fresh and vibrant for hours on end. And 3. It can be used as a natural deodorizer. Baking soda has many benefits and we should all use it in our daily lives. One of the many benefits is that baking soda can clean and deodorize your fridge, oven, refrigerator, windowsills and floors. It can also whiten laundry, brighten up clothes and polish silver. It is also good for oral health because it can remove plaque from teeth, protect teeth from decay and reduce instances of bad breath. It can also eliminate odors in clothing like garlic and onion smells. Baking soda is a common household product with many uses. It is inexpensive and easy to find in any grocery store. Baking soda is also safe for use with people of all ages and can be used in home remedies or to fix certain problems such as odors or stains on clothes, carpets, etc. Baking soda is a household staple that has many benefits. Here are some of the top reasons to keep baking soda on hand. 1. Baking soda is a great deodorizer. It can be used to get rid of nasty smells in the kitchen, bathroom, or any other room in your house. 2. Baking soda is a natural cleaner. It can be used to clean countertops, appliances, and other surfaces without leaving behind any harsh chemicals. 3. Baking soda can be used as a teeth whitener. Simply mix it with water and brush your teeth as you would normally. Be sure to rinse well afterward. 4. Baking soda can be used to soothe sunburns. Add a cup of baking soda to your bathtub and soak in it for a few minutes. The baking soda will help to heal the sunburn and reduce the pain. 5. Baking soda can be used as a foot scrub. Mix baking soda with water to make a paste, then use it to scrub your feet. The baking soda will help to remove any dead skin cells and leave your feet feeling soft and smooth. 6. Baking soda can be used to treat acne. Apply a thin layer of baking soda to problem areas and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. 7. Baking soda can be a hair detangler. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda with water to form a paste. Apply the paste to your hair and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing off. The baking soda will help to break down any built-up product and make it easier to comb through your hair. 8. Baking soda can be used as a mouthwash. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 cup of water. Swish the mixture around in your mouth for 30 seconds, then spit it out and rinse with water. The baking soda will help to kill bacteria and remove plaque buildup. 9. Baking soda can be used to treat heartburn and acid reflux. Add /2 teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of water and drink it. The baking soda will help to neutralize the stomach acid and provide relief from the burning sensation. 10. Baking soda is a great way to get rid of bad breath. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 cup of water. Swish the mixture around in your mouth for 30 seconds, then spit it out and rinse with water. The baking soda will help to kill bacteria and remove plaque buildup. Baking soda is a versatile and inexpensive ingredient that can be used in a variety of ways. Baking soda is not only used for baking and cleaning, but also for beauty routines such as hair masks, face masks, and teeth whitening. The conclusion of this video is that baking soda is an indispensable item to have in your kitchen and bathroom cabinets because it can be used for so many purposes. Keep a box of baking soda on hand for cleaning, deodorizing, and treating various health problems. You'll be glad you did. This video is only for educational use. Please consult your doctor for any medical and professional advice. Feel free to let us know in the comments. Before you go, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to inform you when we produce another video. Thank you for watching Better Body Tips and for your continued support.